everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making Thai green curry chicken soup. To make the original recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make the green curry paste as well. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna use basil and mortar to pound it. So I'm gonna add galangal and add lemongrass in because they're hard to pound it. Take a little time to make it, but you will satisfy because all of herbs they smell incredible. Now I'm gonna add chili. The chili I use green chili, Thai chili, okay? It depends on how spicy you want. And chop it a little bit. Make it easy to pound. And I'm gonna add garlic, shallot. We add it later, okay? Turmeric loose. And this one finger roots, if you don't have it, you cannot find it, just don't worry about it, you don't need to add it, okay? So now we're gonna pound everything well. Oh, one more thing, usually we use kaffir lime skin, but I couldn't find it, so I go with the kaffir lime leaf, it works just fine. Okay, to make it more green, I'm gonna use sweet basil leaf. You can use the chili leaf as well if you have it, okay? But the sweet basil is smell incredible, smell amazing. So I like to use this, but I don't like it look green that much. So I just use a little bit, okay? You see this? You can use this in the curry if you want to. It smells incredible. You can use this, okay? Add in there. Now it looks so good. Now we're gonna add shallot in. I don't want to add the shrimp paste, but if you like, you can add it in. Alright, let's see my curry. Wow, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna add just about 2 tablespoons. We don't use it much, so the rest you can keep it leaf later. You need Thai eggplant. Add salt in the water to soak eggplant. Add a little bit of coconut milk to fry with the curry. Add curry in. Now we're gonna wait until the coconut oil separates from the paste. So you will see the oil on the surface of the paste. Okay, the coconut oil broken apart from the paste. Now you can see the oil on the surface of the paste. That's what I talk about and what we're looking for. Okay, give it a stir. If the curry looks too dry, you can add more coconut milk. Okay, now you will see a lot of fat on the surface. Let's see. Alright. Give it a stir. And I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk. We need 800 ml of coconut milk, okay? You can add lemongrass, bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna add chicken in. Alright, add chicken in. Add a little salt, sugar, palm sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish salt, add some more salt. And add eggplant in. And a cup of peas if you like. Okay, bring it to a boil again. Let me add some of kaffir lime leaf. Cook until the eggplant gets soft. Okay. And finally, add red chili just a little bit for color and sweet basil, and turn the heat off. This recipe probably to my butter because I want to eat with rice and noodle as well. If you don't like, you just reduce the coconut milk as you like. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe